Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lancaster, local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing a trustworthy and cheap Lancaster moving company means you need to turn to 3 Movers. We offer the best services for local and long-distance moves. Our team of movers in Lancaster, California works with homeowners, renters, students, veterans, and business owners to make sure moving day becomes worry-free. Our moving crew provides all the help you need for your long-distance move. Whether you're going one state over or all the way across the country, our Lancaster movers can help. We offer all the common moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be easy to decide to hire a California moving company due to the cost. However, when you decide to hire a professional moving company, you will have very little to worry about. It will save you time and you will know your belongings are in good hands. Plus, you won't have to worry about doing any heavy lifting. Our Lancaster movers will ensure you get moved into your new home much faster. With 3 movers, you get the help you need with a crew ready to go to work for you. We handle the heavy lifting and make sure the move gets done quick. What might take you all weekend, we can do in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lancaster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.